Drinking Bird and Hand Boiler Experiment by China Brown and Daisy Alvarez. The drinking birds and hand boilers are both based off of the concept thermodynamics. The drinking bird was invented by scientist Miles Sullivan in 1946, but the idea was thought of in China sometime between 1910 and 1930. Later, the hand boiler evolved from the concept of the drinking bird. The hand boiler was often used to show how passionate someone was and was also called a love meter. The amount of heat exerted from our hands will determine how much the chemical inside the glass moves and boils. In our drinking bird experiment, the methylene chloride inside the glass is affected by the pressure. So if there is pressure on the bottom of the bird, then the chemical transfers to the bird's head. Thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools.